Dust from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. For other uses, see dust, disambiguation. Dust is made of fine particles of solid matter. On Earth, it generally consists of particles in the atmosphere that come from various sources, such as soil lifted by a wind, an aeration process, volcanic eruptions, and pollution. Dust in homes is composed of about 20 to 50% dead skin cells. The rest, and in offices and other built environments, is composed of small amounts of plant pollen, human hairs, animal fur, textile fibers, paper fibers, mineral from outdoor soil, burnt meteor particles, and many other materials which may be found in the local environment. Atmospheric. Atmospheric or wind-borne fugitive dust, also known as alien dust, comes from arid and dry regions where high-velocity winds are able to remove mostly silt-sized material, deflating susceptible surfaces. This includes areas where grazing, ploughing, vehicle use, and other human behaviors have been destabilized by the land. Though not all areas have been largely affected by anthropogenic impacts, one third of the global land area is covered by dust producing surfaces, made up of high arid regions like the Sahara, which covers 0.9 billion hectares, and drylands, which occupy about 5.2 billion hectares. Dust in the atmosphere is produced by saltation and the abrasive sandblasting of sand sized grains, and it is transported through the troposphere. This airborne dust is considered an aerosol, and once in the atmosphere, it can produce strong local radioactive forcing. Saharan dust, in particular, can be transported and deposited as far as the Caribbean and the Amazon basin, and may affect air temperatures, causing ocean cooling and alter rainfall amounts. Middle East. Dust in the Middle East has been a historic phenomenon. Recently, because of climate change and the escalating process of desertification, the problem has worsened dramatically. As a multi-factor phenomenon, there is no yet clear consensus on the sources or potential solutions to the problem. In Iran, the dust is already affecting more than 5 million people directly and has emerged as a serious government issue in recent years. In the Khuzestan province, it has led to the severe increase of air pollution. The amounts of pollutants in the air has surpassed more than 50 times the normal level several times in a year. Recently, initiatives such as the Project Dust have been established to directly study dust in the Middle East. Roads. Main article: Road debris. Dust kicked up by vehicles traveling on roads may exceed up to 33% of air pollution. Road dust consists of deposits of vehicle and industrial exhaust gas, particles from tire and brake wear, dust from paved roads or potholes, and dust from construction sites. Road dust is a significant contributor to the generation and release of particles in the atmosphere. Control of road dust is a significant challenge in urban areas and also other locations where high levels of vehicular traffic upon unsealed roads, such as landmines and landfills. Road dust may be suppressed by mechanical methods like street sweepers, vehicles equipped with vacuum cleaners, vegetable oil sprays, or with water sprayers. Calcium chloride can be used. Improvements in automotive engineering have reduced the amount of PM10S produced by road traffic. The proportion representing resuspension of existing particles has increased as a result. Coal. Fair warning, this section needs expansion. You can help by adding to it. Coal dust is responsible for the respiratory disease known as pneumoconiosis, including coal workers' pneumoconiosis, a disease that occurs around coal miners. The danger of coal dust resulted in environmental law regulating workplace air quality in some jurisdictions. In addition, if enough coal is dispersed within the air in a given area, in very rare circumstances, it can cause a dust explosion. These circumstances are conditionally within confined spaces. Control. Atmospheric. Most government or environmental protection agencies, including the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, mandate that facilities that generate fugitive dust minimize or mitigate the production of dust in their operation. The most frequent dust control violations occur at new residential housing developments in urban areas. United States federal law requires that in construction sites obtain planning permissions to conduct earth moving and clearing of areas, so that plans to control dust emissions while the work is being carried out are specified. Control measures including simple practices as spraying construction roads and demolition sites with water and preventing the tracking of dust onto adjacent roads. Some of the issues include reducing dust related health risks that include allergenic reactions, pneumonia, and asthmatic attacks, improving visibility and road safety, providing air cleaner vehicles, and cleaner homes, and promoting better health, improving agricultural productivity, reducing vehicle maintenance by lowering the levels of dust that clog filters, bearings, and machinery, reducing driver fatigue, maintenance on car suspension, systems, and improving fuel economy in automobiles, increasing cumulative effects. Each new application builds on previous progress. US federal law requires that dust control on sources such as vacant lots, unpaved parking lots, and dirt roads. Dust in such places may be suppressed by mechanical methods. This carries a citation needed, including pavement or lying down gravel, or stabilizing the surface with water vegetable oils, or other dust suppressants, or by using water misters to suppress the dust that is already airborne, which also carries a citation needed.